Hi guys, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So at first, unroll the list of all apps and reach Settings. Then find and select General Management, where you will find Date and Time. And here you can smoothly turn off automatic date and time by using this top switcher. And now you can smoothly set the date and time manually by yourself. So as you can see, from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Obviously you can also manage time zone, so smoothly switch off automatic one, and then you can pick it from the following list. At first choose the region, or you can enter it right here, and then time zone if valuable. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.